guys. It is Thursday. It's almost Friday. I can't wait. Happy birthday to my friend's wife, Natasha. It is her birthday, and as promised, we've got the makings of a cheesecake here. It's gonna be quite delicious because it's gonna have a brownie base, chocolate chips in the cake. You know, the vanilla for the cheesecake, you know, but then some chocolate over the top of it. Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So let's get going. Let's come over here. Let's grab the blender and let's get to work. So now the cheesecake's in the oven. All we have to do is just let it cook. And it should come out pretty damn good, but it's not done. After it comes out, refrigerate. And then there's something else that needs to be done to it. My own kind of recipes don't stop with me just making the recipe, which granted, that isn't any recipe, that's my recipe. So I will let you guys know here shortly, and fast forward now. Okay, so the cheesecake's done. At least this part of it's done. I forgot something crucial when making the cheesecakes. I haven't made this in a year and a half-ish, 2 years, and usually I make it at least once a year, but it's been a little while due to moving and other situations and lifestyles. Regardless, it should turn out just fine, but luckily I was planning on doing something anyway once the cheesecake cooled and everything like that. So here's to hoping that it turns out. Watch tomorrow for the next part. And until then, this is Vilom Files.